Power interruption is a problem in the Philippines. Our country is known to have storms because it is an archipelago and the east side is Pacific Ocean. That is why storms often happen. Storms can cause power interruption. Sometimes, a scheduled power maintenance can interrupt power. That is why about this system, it is called UPS. It is supposed to work like a plug, but without any electricity. Like your phone and your laptop, this system needs to be charged before use. And that's how I can get my air conditioner to turn on without electricity. But there's a big problem. That system can only last up to 2 hours, so you may only be using the air conditioner for 2 hours.